Have you been trying to figure out how to fry fluffy and delicious akara? In today's video, I'll put you through on how I achieved this delicious, fluffy and enjoyable akara. As funny as it may sound, frying akara is not really easy, but after watching this video, you will be able to fry delicious akara at home. First thing you have to do is to get any kind of beans you'll be using, properly peel the back, and if you don't want to peel the back, you can skip that, because I found that these days some people can actually make their akara without peeling the beans back. So if you don't want to peel the beans back, go ahead and wash it thoroughly. Blend it is very smooth. Into the beans, while blending, I added some ginger and garlic, onions, and blended very well. One of the secrets of getting a very fluffy akara is not to add too much water. And again, I added 1 egg to this quantity of batter I'm using. Anytime I add egg to my beans batter, it comes out so nice. I mean, so fluffy and so together. Again, frying akara does not require so much spices. Just as you can see, I added only salt to the beans batter. This is worthy to note that before you start frying your akara, allow your oil to be very hot, and once you begin to go in with the beans batter, once you start scooping in the beans batter, just reduce the fire so it will just be on low heat. Frying your akara on low heat will enable it be cooked evenly, not when the outside is crispy and the inside is half cooked. If you noticed, I did not add salt to all of the batter at once. I divided it into 2 and added salt bit by bit. Any quantity I want to fry at any time, I'll go ahead and add salt to it. After frying, I'll add salt to the next and fry. Just like that, guys, you definitely have yourself a good and fluffy akara. Remember, I added egg to this. Let me know if you've ever added egg to your beans batter before making your akara, and what do you think about it? I hope you do find this video useful, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share so we can get more interesting recipes on this channel. Okay, akara is just that one meal that likes to be stubborn whenever you feel like eating it at home, but at the end is worthy of making, and it's always worth your time. You can see how this came out. It's really fluffy and nice. Everyone that tested it wanted more, and I'm glad it will also work for you. Thank you for watching once again, and see you in my next one. Until then, bye. Let me know what you'll be serving yours with. Here we enjoyed ours with pap and milk. Some also can use bread and eat the akara. Bye.